Hello, I'm Victor. Today we'll explore the various holidays taking place on April 24 ND. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace. The International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace is observed annually on April 24. This day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in December 2018 to promote and support multilateralism and diplomacy as essential tools in achieving peace and addressing global challenges. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of international cooperation, dialogue, and collaboration in resolving conflicts, addressing climate change, promoting human rights, and tackling various other issues that impact the world as a whole. On this day, various events and discussions take place globally, highlighting the significance of multilateralism and diplomacy in fostering international relations and peaceful coexistence among nations. Governments, international organizations, and civil society actors engage in activities that emphasize the critical role of diplomacy in maintaining peace and stability. The International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace encourages nations to work together to develop effective, sustainable solutions to global challenges, ultimately creating a safer and more prosperous world for all. National Pigs in a Blanket Day. National Pigs in a Blanket Day is celebrated annually on April 24 in the United States. This fun and informal food holiday is dedicated to the popular snack and appetizer known as pigs in a blanket. Although the day is not an official national holiday, it is observed by many food enthusiasts who appreciate this simple yet delicious treat. Pigs in a blanket consist of small sausages or hot dogs wrapped in dough, such as crescent roll dough or puff pastry, and then baked until golden brown. The dish is a popular finger food served at parties, gatherings, and various events. Pigs in a blanket can be enjoyed with an assortment of dipping sauces, such as mustard, ketchup, or cheese sauce. To celebrate National Pigs in a Blanket Day, people often prepare and share this tasty snack with family and friends or enjoy it at local restaurants and food establishments that offer special promotions or menu items for the occasion. Action Day for Tolerance and Respect Between People. Every year on April 24th, Argentina observes the Action Day for Tolerance and Respect Between People, a national day that acknowledges the Ottoman Empire's attempt to systematically eradicate the Armenian people from their homeland in 1915. This day serves as an opportunity to encourage tolerance and respect among individuals from different cultural and societal backgrounds, as well as to emphasize the importance of human rights and equality. Although not a public holiday, it is an observance of national importance in Argentina. Furthermore, it is worth noting that November 16 marks the International Day for Tolerance, established by the United Nations to promote and inspire awareness of human rights, equality, and diversity worldwide. National Skipping Day. National Skipping Day is not a widely recognized or official holiday. However, the idea behind it encourages people to engage in the simple, joyful activity of skipping. Skipping is a fun and easy form of exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It promotes physical fitness, coordination, and cardiovascular health, while also providing a sense of nostalgia and happiness for many who remember skipping during their childhood. A National Skipping Day could potentially be celebrated by organizing group skipping events, encouraging schools to incorporate skipping activities into their physical education classes, or simply encouraging individuals to take a break from their daily routine and enjoy a few minutes of skipping. New Kids on the Block Day. New Kids on the Block Day is celebrated annually on April 24th. The day is dedicated to the American boy band New Kids on the Block, NKOTB, which gained immense popularity during the late 1980s and early 1990s. The group, consisting of members Donnie Wahlberg, Danny Wood, Jordan Knight, Jonathan Knight, and Joey McIntyre, is known for their catchy pop and R&B tunes, smooth harmonies, and synchronized dance moves. In 1989, Massachusetts Governor Michael Dukakis declared April 24th as New Kids on the Block Day in recognition of the band's success and positive influence on young people. While this day is not an official national holiday, it is observed by fans who continue to appreciate the group's music and legacy. Fans often celebrate by listening to the band's hits, sharing memories and experiences related to the group, or engaging on social media using dedicated hashtags to reminisce about their favorite NKOTB moments. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.